Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I want to teach you guys about some mistakes that you guys should avoid when you're building your credit. So I see a lot of people do these mistakes, and I just want to point them out. And I see a lot of people also leaving me comments, and I wanted to respond to them that I got. So one of the comments that I got is this one here. So somebody was saying only to get this total Visa card if you are looking to rebuild your credit. The card is trash. Thanks for the breakdown. This card for people, especially people of color with low credit scores. And because this card is so bad. So once you establish your credit, pay it off and close it. So when you guys see comments like this, you have to understand what they mean by this comment. I know exactly what they mean by this comment. And I want to show you guys a mistake that you guys could possibly make when building your credit. So I talk to you guys all the time, like about when you're building your credit, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. So when you're in the process of building your credit, you may see, oh, I can get this total Visa card, and you get so excited. You 1% cash back. You're so excited, but you have to go ahead and click right here where it says see rates, fees, costs. You have to click right there to see the different fees, because this is the reason why this card is from him considered trash. I'm not going to say that, but you'll see why he said that. So there's a program fee of $95. So you have to pay a one-time fee of $95 to get the card. Plus you have to pay an annual fee of $75. And then it's going to drop down to $48 annually. And then after that, you're going to start paying the monthly fee. After the first year, you're going to pay a monthly fee of $8.25. So every month you pay, these are fees you're just paying to use the card. Plus, look at the interest rate. You don't even want to hold a balance on this card at all. So this is one of the mistakes you definitely want to avoid, because the fees are just so high. So they're saying that when you get this credit card, so if you get a $300 credit card, when they come in the mail, you only gonna have $225 available because you have to pay that $75 off. Maybe with that program fee, maybe they're gonna make you pay that up front once you get approved. But these are very high fees. And that's why I tell you all to please go ahead and check out my website, Rickita.com. Scroll down some and I'll show you like the best credit cards to build credit, or the best credit cards for bad credit. When you look on this website, you're going to see a lot of credit cards on here that can help you build your credit. And then some of them, they don't have crazy high fees like this. Now that some of these cards, they're going to have some annual fees, and that could be normal, but $95, $75 is just ridiculous. The credit builder card is $22 annual fee, and they report to all 3 credit bureaus before you get the credit card, and they allow you to get 2, and they don't check your credit. So anybody can get that one. Kickoff, we're going to talk about things to avoid with Kickoff too, because that's another problem, because some people, they're using it incorrectly. We also have the Discover a Secure credit card. This one don't have any annual fees. It graduates to an unsecured credit card, so you definitely will want this one. Somebody said they went from $200, they put a $200 deposit down. In about 7 to 9 months, they gave them their $200 back, and they increased their limit to $2,100. These are the kind of cards you want to get. They graduate. Also, you guys can get the Tumo. I talked to you guys about the Tumo. You get up to $10,000. I love my Tumo credit card, but keep this in mind. With this one, anything you spend on it is going to be due on Sunday. So don't think, oh, I got $10,000. I'm about to use that, and then, just pay it off slowly. Nope, you can't do that with this one. It's the charge card. So anything you spend is going to be due right away, okay? Keep that in mind. The In Reward Secure card is another secure one that's great. This one, you put $200 down, in about 6, 7, 8 months, you're going to go to $2,000, and they're going to give you $200 back. So please come on here and check out some of these cards, and also the Capital One Platinum Secure. Now, some of these, like this one, have a $35 annual fee, but it can help you build your credit because there's no credit check. They don't care if you had a bankruptcy. These are the ones that you want to try to get. And you guys want to watch out too when you guys are, trying to get credit cards with companies that's like Total Visa. I'm not saying this company in particular, but just some that's not like the normal cards that you always hear, because you guys are at a higher risk of having fraud happen to your on your account, and you don't want to have fraud happen, because that can really mess up your credit if you guys have fraud happen. So that's why I am so happy to be partnering with Aura, because Aura can definitely help you guys if you guys ever have any type of fraud happening. They can help you guys. They'll let you know when you possibly have fraud happening. Plus, they'll even send you like alerts. So if you was to have anything like on a dark web, they'll send you alerts. So you guys can definitely be very protected by having Aura. Plus, you'll have your credit reports. They'll give you a copy of your credit reports. So definitely check out Aura. They even have a coverage. Say if you have some losses because of identity theft, you got $1 million insurance coverage to help you with those losses. So go ahead and call them. They have 24/7 expert fraud support. Their pricing is transparent. You can definitely check out their pricing right here. So click here and check out their pricing. They have 60-day money back guarantee. Plus, they have a free 14-day trial. Go ahead, look down in the comments and check out their free 14-day trial. And they'll be able to let you experience everything and see how much you like it. They can even protect you on your bank account. So you could attach your bank account so that they can be able to protect your bank account, which is really good. They even have it too where you have like the passwords. If you guys want to save your passwords, you're even able to save your passwords. But you guys don't understand how many times you may hear that they found your information on a dark web, and then you're wondering, oh my gosh, I got this new address on my credit reports. It's not mine. And most likely that address is from a scam. Okay. It's probably from a scam. So you want to make sure that you have something like this available. Plus, they have the VPN. So you guys can definitely use their VPN when searching the web. And they have the antivirus. So definitely check them out. Like I said to you guys, I have my 14-day free trial in the comments. Go ahead and check it out. It's going to be very beneficial to you. So please go ahead and check it out. This is going to help you guys protect your identity and help you guys avoid the fraud that can be possibly happening. So definitely check that out. So that's one of the biggest things I want you all to do. Just make sure you guys protecting yourself while you're looking through these different companies that's on here, because if you're not, then there can be problems. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is this Kickoff account. So I know you guys heard me talk about Kickoff. I talked about Kickoff so much. And the reason why I really started talking about Kickoff is because of their original account that they had. So they originally had a credit builder account, their Kickoff loan, which is this one here, where they actually loaned you the money. You didn't really even have to have the money. You could just pay $1 per month. All you have to do is click right here. So like pay now. You just every month got to log in and click pay now, pay now, pay now, and pay now. And as long as you did that, they'll report that dollar since you're paying $1 every month. And then they'll report that for 12 months. And then that's it. They started boosting people credit scores. But now somebody left this comment, which, I have to agree with them. And I told you guys, you have to watch out for certain companies and how they may change and structure their fees. So this company right here, this one is saying that they started with the Kickoff cash card in January. They signed up for the direct deposit. The Kickoff report on their credit report that they had a credit card balance of $1,700, which in turn raised their utilization and lowered their credit score. So once they seen this, they said they emptied their bank account and they had to wait till they reported again. And they said that the Kickoff is not considered a bank debit card. It's a prepaid debit card, and a lot of financial institutions won't let them use it. So please keep that in mind. I never really did a full review on that Kickoff cash card, this one right here, because I just don't like these kind of things, y'all. I just really don't. I just think that we should just, go ahead and get you a bank account, get one that can waive your fees if you use so many transactions, and just call it a day, because you just don't want to have that high utilization on your credit report, because it defeats the purpose. Okay, it really defeats the purpose. And I just some people say the Chime worked for them, but when I look at some people's credit reports, I look at a lot of credit reports, trying to help them increase their credit score. People increase their credit score, and I just don't see a great increase to the point where it's like, okay, this is really nice. Everybody should get it. I just don't see it. Okay. So that's why I just say, stick with some of the basics. Don't try to go out your way. If you're going to get this Kickoff account, I would suggest that you go ahead and get their account that's right here, which is you pay a certain amount per month. I would just do the $5 per month one. That's what I would do. And I would also go ahead and check out some of the other ones that they have. Like, with the Kickoff, you have like the $5 per month. Let me see if I can refresh that screen so that an image can pop up. Nope, they don't even have an image up. Let's just say product. But I would just try to get one that's like this. Every 3 months, I would just come in here and keep purchasing something like this. It's $4 per month, and it's 3 months of payment history. That's fine with me, and it's better than what other people are doing, where they're paying like $20 per month, but they're getting their credit reports also. I just don't see it. And that plan right is this one right here. These are those $20 per month plan. This right here is going to show high utilization on your credit reports, and you don't want it. This plan is not too bad. It's $5 per month. That's not bad at all. Or this one is $5 per month. That's not bad at all. But you got to think about it. They're going to report that you had a $5 per month for 20 months, which is going to be $100 balance on your account. You don't want $100 balance. You want the lowest balance that you can get. So that's why I tell people to get the ones where they can report a lower balance. So this one, 4 times 3, that'll be a $12 balance. 2 times 5, that'll be a $10 balance. But I'm thinking about paying $4 per month too. I'm thinking about that part. That's not going to be bad. So, these are the different things that you want to look at. You want to try to get something with the lowest balance possible that can report to the credit bureaus. It's going to boost your credit score. But don't try to just say, you know what, I'm going to get the 12-month plan, because they're going to have to report 12 times 5, a $60 balance. And to me, that's a very high balance. I used to like for them to report a very low balance. And I think that's what people are messing up with this Kickoff account too. So definitely, I talk about the Kickoff on my website when I say, the best credit cards for bad credit. I talk about Kickoff credit, and somebody's credit score going up 74 points. But if you use it correctly, it can help you. Now, I don't, endorse that card, but definitely make sure you guys are using it correctly, and I think it will really help you. And please go ahead and check out some of these secure credit cards on here. Go to my website, Rickita.com. These are cards that I will personally get myself. When you get down to the bottom, though, these are cards that I will get as long as they don't give you no high annual fee. That's it. As long as they don't give you no high annual fee, I would get them. I pre-qualified for this one before. They told me how much I was going to get. You don't have no annual fee for first year. Then the second year, everybody was going to get the annual fee. I'm like, nope, that ain't what I want. Milestone, pre-qualify for that. Oh, I pre-qualify for all of these, but I won't get them because I'm just not at that stage of building my credit. But if you guys are at the stage of building your credit, you need to get some credit cards. Try to pre-qualify for them, but try to make sure that you don't have a high annual fee. Now, I can see $35 max per year. I can see that, as long as it's not like a monthly fee and all that. As long as you're not at that stage, it's fine, because you got to think about it. You're trying to build your credit. As soon as you get these accounts to start reporting to your credit reports, you're going to start building your credit. So please definitely check these out. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I know these going to really help you build your credit. And if you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments. Make sure you guys check out that 14-day free trial from Aura also. Please check that out, because I know that's going to definitely help you all also. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video.